Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and boy, today we are making actually one of the kids' favorite burgers. When we go out to different places and they see this on the menu, they absolutely just want it. It's a barbecue Western bacon burger, or Western barbecue bacon burger. I don't know how which word goes where, but either way, it's barbecue, it's bacon, and it's Western. So we're gonna make that. It's gonna be super easy, and I feel like it's gonna be super good. We're gonna use a certain seasoning at one of their favorite restaurants. May not be yours, but they love going here. Steak and Shake, that's right. They always get this at Steak and Shake. Now this is not necessarily a copycat recipe per se, but it's gonna be close. So anyhow, before we get started, please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here at the Crazy Acres with us. Let us know in the comments down below that you're new. Would love to give you a huge welcome. Also, while you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. You know, all that good stuff. If you've been here, thank you so much. We cannot say thank you enough. I say we as in, you know, the whole family. We really appreciate all the support that you're giving us here on this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you happen to look for any kind of recipes that we've done, we made it easy for you. Look down below in that description. There's a recipe playlist link. Click on that link. It'll show you all the recipes that we've done, whether it be on grilling, Blackstones, crock pots, whatever it may be. Mostly Blackstones though. If you don't see what you're looking for, please let us know. I would love to try something new. So hey, hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, email. We even have a snail mail. That's right, we got a P.O. box. All that is down there in that description. So be sure to check all that out. Also, one more thing before we get started. I've told you this before for you new ones watching, just so you know, we are now on TikTok. I'm not doing all them crazy dances yet. Maybe one day, who knows? Can't ever tell what'll happen in the future. But right now, I'm cooking. Cooking with Crazy Pop on TikTok. Be sure to go check us out. We're almost at 40,000 followers. We're growing fast, and I'm having a blast doing that stuff. So with that being said, we got to fire this thing up. I got to show you some groceries, and we got to get to cooking. Now, I'm going to tell you what. I don't know if there's anything sadder than a cold griddle. So let's remedy that. Let's make this griddle happy. Let's turn. I'm going to go with these 3 burners, y'all. Y'all know I like using these 3 burners and leaving this one off just so I can have a little cooler zone. But I tell you what, I'm going to go down to low. I think I'm going to go down to low. Yep, there we go. Now, here is our groceries. I have 2 balls of hamburger meat. Now, this is bigger than the 4 ounce. I am going to make kind of smash burger kind of things out of these. These are probably 5 to 6 ounce. I didn't weigh them, but they're bigger than 4, our normal smash burger size. There's our seasoning we're going to use. We actually went to Steak and Shake and bought this seasoning, and I'll tell you what, the kids love this on fries also. But this is really good seasoning. We have some bacon. I have some diced up onions. I have some American cheese. We got some fried onions right here, and I have some barbecue sauce. They use like a sweet kind of a smoky barbecue sauce. This right here is some good stuff. It's kind of sweet but smoky at the same time. It's really good on a lot of things. I think it's going to be good on these burgers. All right, all right, all right. I see smoke coming off this griddle. That only means one thing, y'all. It's time to put some groceries up on this griddle. So let's do that. I'm going to throw down a little bit of oil right over here, y'all. And I'm going to throw me down some onion. Now, I'm not going to cook all these onions. I'm just going to cook some. And then right over here, I'm going to cook me up some bacon. Some bacon. Just like that. Now, we're going to get this bacon going, get these onions going. I don't want to cook these onions real down a whole lot. I'm going to kind of get them translucent and kind of bring sweetness out in them. Cook this bacon up, make them kind of crispy for the burgers. These burgers won't take long at all. Once we smash them down, smash burgers don't take long at all. So, gonna get this going. Won't be long, we'll be making some burgers. These onions are already smelling good, and we just put them on the griddle, y'all. Of course, bacon. Can you go wrong with bacon? It smells so good anyhow. All right, y'all, let's give our bacon a flip. Let's flip our bacon. Yeah, man. It's looking good there. Oh, yeah. Let's stir our onion. Stir the onion up. Look at that. Kind of what we're looking for. Getting a little char to them, y'all. Y'all, these onions, like I said, I didn't want them cooked way down. I'm gonna go ahead and move them over here to this cooler side. Now they'll stay warm over here, and we'll go ahead and get these burgers going. Let's go ahead and move our onion over here, y'all. Didn't take them long at all, did it? It's bacon, like this piece here, is starting to get done pretty quick. We're gonna move you over. Let's go ahead and move this one over. They'll finish crisping up right over there, like so. Same with you. We're gonna kind of just move you over just a little bit. Let y'all cook some more right there. Now, we got the onions taken care of. We tended to the bacon. Let's get these burgers on, y'all. Now, I don't have it on high heat to give it a good sear like a normal smash burger. I'm not really looking for that, but I am gonna smash them. Throw down some season on these things. Ooh, that smells good. All right, y'all. I'll tell you one thing I did forget. I forgot to get parchment paper. So it's probably gonna stick. Nah, it didn't stick. Look at there. What you think about that? Oh, there you go. Come out of there. There you go. Ha ha ha. All right, y'all. Burgers are going. Bacon's almost done. Onions are about where I want them. Won't be long. We're going to be eating us some good barbecue Western bacon burgers. Ain't that looking good, y'all? Oh, yeah. Won't be long. They're about done. As you see, they're starting to brown up pretty good on the sides. It's almost about time to give them a flip. All right, y'all. It is time to flip these burgers. Oh, yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Speaking of flipping, let's flip our bacon while we're over here too, y'all. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna go ahead and move it all out of here. Get like that. Now, I know it did season, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with a little more seasoning. That's a good stuff right there, y'all. Now that we got the seasoning on there and got them flipped, time to add the cheese. I'm gonna put 2 slices of American cheese. Is it American or America? America cheese. We'll use America cheese. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna toast the buns, because who don't like a good set of toasted buns? Let's get them on there. Now we cooking. Getting close, y'all, and smelling so good. Man. Y'all, that America cheese needs some help. We gotta help it melt down, so we're gonna dome it up and add some water. And while that's melting down, let's check our buns. Oh, look there, y'all. Getting a good little light toast on it. That's perfect. That's what I want right there. I'm gonna take them up. That's good enough, I think. What do y'all think? You know, some people like a heavy toast, some don't. I'm good with that right there. All right, let's see if this cheese is melted down. I'm happy. All right, y'all. Bacon's done, onion's done, burger's done, cheese is melted, buns are toasted. Let's build these things. Let's kill our heat and get ready to eat. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take one of these. We're gonna put it on there. Same thing. Man, yeah. All right. Now, let's see. What do I want to put on here now? I think I will put just a little bit of onion on here. Put some onion, however you want to say it. Like that right there. Then I think I will put some bacon. Put a couple strips of bacon on here. Now you can break this bacon up if you want. I kind of like it just hanging off like that right there. That's good. Then I think I will take some of these French fried onions. Just kind of sprinkle on here. Trying to get them where they're not falling everywhere. Like so. Then we're gonna take the good stuff. This dukes, y'all. Just kind of slather it on there. Don't be worried about getting messy. Alright. Pick up some of these onions, French fried onions. Crown them, baby. And there you go. BBQ Bacon Western Burger. Y'all, these things look delicious. Check these out. Y'all, I'm telling you what. These things look good. Now, if you want more bacon on yours, put more bacon. Of course, more bacon wouldn't hurt it none, that's for sure. But I think they're gonna be good just like that. I mean, look at that sauce. Just look at that sauce just dripping out of there. And that cheese and them, ooh. Oh, well, let's try these out. What y'all think about those burgers? I tell you what, them things look good. I'm wondering how they're gonna taste. I have to wonder no longer. I get to try it out, y'all. I tell you what, this burger is just huge. I think I'm gonna attack it right here, like this. Look at bread too. Man, that kids ain't gonna want to go out there and get this no more. They're gonna want it right here. I gotta have another bite of that. Man, it's so juicy. I need a napkin. I'll use my hand. Y'all, that burger is so juicy. And then French fried onions, and them sauteed onions, and that bacon, and that sauce with that toasted bun, all comes together perfectly. And then you top it off with that steak and shake seasoning. That's some really good stuff, y'all. You can use whatever kind of seasoning you want, but I highly recommend, if you get a chance to go buy a steak and shake, even if you don't eat there, stop in and get some of their seasoning. That's some good stuff. I'll tell you, I got to cook some more of these because it's kind of our supper time. I want to cook 2 of these. I got more to cook, so I'm going to let you go. But please, before you leave, hit a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Would love to hear from you. If you want to see different kind of burgers we make, hey, let us know down below. Would love to try new recipes. We'll go ahead and throw this in there. Maybe a runny egg. Who knows? Can't ever tell. You know who I'm talking to. So with that being said, I got to cook some more after I eat this. And we'll see you next time.